Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change Fiat 500 tire, only way. Loosen lug nuts slightly before jacking, then position the jack under the recommended lift point near the wheel arch and raise the car until the tire clears the ground by a few inches. Remove lug nuts fully and set them aside in order. Then take off the wheel and check the brake and hub for damage before installing the spare. Once the car is safely raised and the wheel is free, remove lug nuts using a star pattern to prevent uneven pressure and wobble. Lift the tire off straight and inspect the hub for debris or damage. Align the spare wheel to the studs, hand thread lug nuts to secure it, and lower the car gently so the tire contacts the ground before fully tightening the nuts with the wrench in the correct torque sequence. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. I use an Echo Dot while working on the car to play music or set timers hands-free, and it keeps my phone clean and dry. Check the video description for the link and extra deals if you want one. Then now let's get back to the video. After the car is lowered, tighten lug nuts in the star pattern with a wrench until they are firm, then torque them to the manufacturer's specification if you have a torque wrench. Check the spare tire pressure and inflate to the recommended PSI, and inspect the replaced wheel for any play. Store the removed tire and tools in the trunk and plan a visit to a tire shop to repair or replace the damaged tire professionally.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.